Look at this crazy wallet. If you're dreaming of making a ton of money, just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to do it. I spent months grinding MemeCoin trades every single day, but I got fed up with the insane risks of dumping money into random coins. That's when I switched to this new strategy. Now I can flip $100 into $500 or even $1,000 in seconds, and I keep repeating the process. This is how I've been stacking cash so quickly. The secret is to stop trading meme coins and start making them. Everyone at the top is doing it, and we can't afford to miss out. It's time for us regular people to secure the bag. I can't promise you the world, but I can promise you an easy method of making $1 to $2,000 every single day with the strategy I'm about to show you. So let me show you guys what I mean exactly. As you can see, this coin started at around a 300k market cap, and it went all the way up to 30 million. There were only two ways to get into this early. One of them is literally just being an insider and getting this information early, but that's going to cost you to be in alpha groups, and most of them are scams anyway. Now, the best way to do this is to become a developer. If you develop this coin, which, let me tell you, I found the easiest way to do it, you can literally make hundreds of thousands every month. And no, I am not exaggerating. This is real. The best part? There is completely zero marketing involved in this. Okay? Zero. And I'm going to walk you through how to launch a meme coin live, and you'll see with your own eyes how easy it is to start making profits just like me. We're going to dive straight in and launch a meme coin today, Elon Priest. Before I show you the step-by-step process, you need to know why most people fail when launching meme coins. A lot of folks are literally out here launching their meme coins on the wrong platforms, like Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is literally terrible and oversaturated. As you can see here, there's a bunch of meme coins, and even the same ones popping up like this. It just doesn't make sense. Like, I don't know why anyone would launch on Pump.Fun when you can literally launch on Raydium. Now, if you go over here on Photon, we can literally tap right here on Raydium and look at all these high-quality coins that are actually gaining market cap, unlike the ones on Pump.Fun. Okay, this is MemeFast, where all the magic happens. With MemeFast, you don't need to know how to code or use any developing tools. You and I can literally launch a meme coin just like the pros, without any technical skill at all. We're going to be able to make people think that they're early buyers of a legit coin with a solid developer behind it. And let me tell you guys, this is where the big money is at. Okay, so let's get started. First, you need a logo for the coin. I usually either use animals or politicians because they tend to do really well, and they're literally just killing it right now. So, I'm going to grab this photo of Elon Priest because I thought it was pretty funny. You want to size it to 128 by 128 pixels. Now, when you're actually on the MemeFast website, what you want to do is go to the top right and click Connect a Wallet. Once you do that, and your wallet is connected, there might be some pop-ups that say it's not safe or something like that. Just ignore them, okay? This is 100% safe. As you can see, my wallet is connected right now. Press Create a Coin. This is the good stuff. We're going to name it Priest Elon, right here, Prayon. Actually, let me type it in caps, Prayon. That's going to be our token symbol. Now we drag the image in here. Beautiful. Leave the total supply at 1 billion, and we're going to write the first official Priest Elon coin. Beautiful. Now once you have this, you want to leave all of these selected. If you don't, it will show that the liquidity is not locked, and if the liquidity is not locked, you can steal other people's money pretty easily. So, make sure it is locked. Make sure you have those items selected so that it will show up as locked. Okay, so here we go. I literally just filled up my Solana wallet with a little bit more money, and now we are about to launch the coin. Follow me here. We've got some SOL in here, and now let's actually launch the coin. Here we go. Make sure you have all these selected again, press Create a Coin, and right here, it should ask if you want to proceed. Make sure to press Proceed anyway. Beautiful. Now, you wait here. It's going to slowly create your coin. This should take only about 30 seconds or so. Alright, beautiful. What you want to do now is copy this right here, click OK, and here we go. I just created the coin. Now we're going to put 90% in token A, and then right here, we're going to put 0.3. Now we create the pool. We're going to wait until it loads, and there we go. It's going to ask again. Press Proceed anyway, confirm, and boom. There we go. We should be all good. Now we're going to view this on Photon, and as you guys can see, people are already buying in. Nice. Now, if you guys literally want to rug at any time, you can just remove liquidity. But I'm going to wait real quick so I can show you guys how much money we're making. Alright, here we go. Someone just bought in for $314. Very nice. We're going to wait for some bigger buyers to get this moving. Let's refresh. Okay, so we have 2 buys right now, $384 and $314. $6. We just made that in 10 seconds by literally doing nothing. And I guarantee you, if we waited here, we could literally make so much more. Here we go. Let's remove the liquidity. Okay, as you can see, press proceed anyway, network fee, confirm. Yep, there we go. Liquidity was successfully removed. We literally just dumped on these people that bought in for $231, $4. Look, we literally just made all this money right here. Around $10 doing literally nothing in about 30 seconds. And yeah, that was honestly way too easy. This was obviously the easiest rug ever. We started from all the way down here, went all the way up, and then just sold. Okay? All you literally have to do is just dump. It's that easy. We made $10 in like what, 30 seconds or something? But anyway, the whole point of this is that all you have to do is make a coin, find a decent narrative, or, okay, so narrative is number 1. You can literally copy people, do whatever you want. It's super easy to get a coin and people to buy in. As you saw, I took a random photo of Elon online, searched up funny Elon meme, and that's all it took. 30 seconds, $10. Just imagine this at a way larger scale, like the coins I showed you. Now let me tell you, this is just the start. MemeFast is literally insane, and so many people are not even on this method yet. It's just now starting, so make sure you hop on this. The link is down below if you guys want to use MemeFast, or you can launch on Pump.Fun, whatever you want. But I personally don't recommend Pump.Fun. I recommend MemeFast. One more time, just get a good narrative, or you can literally just copy the top 10 coins on MemeFast. If you go to MemeFast, you can see the top 10 trending coins. If I wanted to, I could copy one of these, and people would think it's the same coin, just on raydium instead of Pump.Fun. People would accidentally buy in. That's another thing you can do. It's literally just free money. So make sure you tap in on this. We're really early with this thing, and it's easier than ever to make money. You can literally grind this out all day. This meme coin took maybe a minute to make, maybe. It was honestly just insane. Keep doing this, and you'll make money.